This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the border of the Gold Coast and Old Town neighborhoods to a location that steps from a CTA Red Line stop and a short walk from shopping, dining, and nightlife for a walk through one of the apartments at 1120 North LaSalle. I'm in apartment 12H, looking north toward the great strip of bars and restaurants along Wells Street, just a block north, panning around to the west. We're going to have a great view of the sunset and looking toward the southwest. Terrific spot to set your home office desk here. It's a studio apartment with floor-to-ceiling windows, roller blinds, wide plank flooring throughout the apartment. Sleeping area has been sectioned off for privacy with a screen. And looking at the front entry door, where coat closet would have been off to your left. Turning toward the kitchen, it's a black appliance package. It includes a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave, cherry-colored cabinetry. It's a pantry cabinet. Overall, good cabinet and counter space. And there's another floor-to-ceiling window with that view out to the west. Trek lighting in the living area. Turning toward the bath, you have closets flanking the entryway, including a linen closet with shelving. Then an attractively updated bath. Black and white tile on the floor. Vanity with a quartz-like counter. Wall-mounted medicine cabinet. And tub shower combination. 1120 LaSalle has a variety of apartments. Great rooftop swimming pool with fabulous skyline views. Fitness room. And more. At a terrific location. Definitely belongs on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.